In this video, I'm going to unboxing a laptop which is for productivity as well as gaming. Coming to brand, it is MSI. The price of this one is 75,000 during the offer period. Actually, it is more than 90,000 rupees. This laptop comes in this type of packaging. If you buy this one, you will also receive the same like this. And the color of this laptop is black. Only black is available in MSI laptop. The weight of this laptop is 2.3 kilograms. MSI laptops are familiar for gaming and productivity. There are no specs had mentioned anywhere on the top of the box. Only branding is there. Opening up the box, we are getting some paperwork from MSI. Below that, laptop is there in a safe packaging. After placing the laptop on the side, below the laptop, there is a usual manual. If you are having any doubts regarding this laptop, check it once, and some screws for future hard disk upgrade. Yes, you can upgrade the hard disk as well as RAM in this one. On the left side in the box, we are having another box where the charger unit is available. That's all in the package, nothing else are available. The laptop comes in this nice cloth type bag. The first impression, I feel this laptop is light in weight when compared to my past Dell G3 laptop. On the top, MSI logo is there. Lifting up the screen, removing the extra stickers and thin sheets, the laptop looks like this. And I'm connecting to the charger and use it for a while. And of course, the installation is also very easy, but for some people who don't know, for them I will post a dedicated video on that. Now I'm going to use this laptop for some days and some hours, and then I will catch you. Okay, I used this product more than 2 days now. Since it is a very short time to tell about this laptop, but yeah, it is fine for quick review. Don't be confused, I will post a dedicated whole review of this laptop in couple of weeks after using it. Where do I start? Okay, I start with the first specs and design and overall the performance in my usage. Coming to the laptop model, it is MSI GL65 Leopard, having insane specs that I have ever used till right now. Well, here are the specs for your reference. This laptop is powered by i7 9th gen processor having 8GB DDR4 RAM, and it can be upgradable to 64GB. It comes with 512GB NVMe SSD, which is also upgradable. Comes up with Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650 GDDR6 4GB dedicated graphics, which can handle all AAA games. And coming to the screen size, it is having 15.6 inch Full HD 144Hz display panel with slim bezels. I really like the bezels in this laptop. Even you can see the size of my Dell G3 and this one bezels. And this laptop is having a SteelSeries gaming keyboard where you can customize RGB lighting per key. It is having Cooler Booster 5 technology, which is having 2 fans and 7 heat pipes, which is great for thermal cooling. And it has preloaded Windows 10 Home with lifetime validity. The laptop comes up with 2 years of warranty. Next, coming to the ports, I will give 8 out of 10 points for these ports, because all ports are available, but the lack of 2 points is it has Type-C but no Type-C charging input. When it comes to ports, on the left side we are having Kensington lock, RJ45 port followed by HDMI port and mini display port where you can actually get 4K 30 frames per second, and also USB Type A 3.2 gen port and USB Type-C 3.2 gen port, and one headphone jack as well as one mic port. These are all on the left side. When it comes to the right side, 2 USB Type A 3.2 gen ports, one SD card reader and a charging port. Almost every port is available. I really like the ports, but only lack is it has Type-C but no Type-C charging input. Next, coming to the design, this laptop is made by whole plastic design. There is no metal at all. But in my case, I will tell the plastic is helpful for better heat dispense than the metal. And also, even if you're using your laptop in hot sunny days, the metal will grab the heat from surroundings quickly rather than the plastic. And I really like next thing in this laptop is the thermal. Coming to thermal, it is having a Cooler Booster 5 technology, having 7 heat pipes and 2 fans. And also there is a larger open area for airflow. So heating is not a big issue in this one. Even you can see on the laptop back sides as well as sides, you will see there are so many open spaces where the air can flow easily so that the heat will move out to surroundings easily. Okay, finally coming to performance. During my usage, this laptop is like a charm. I used heavy editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Audition, Adobe Photoshop, which runs pretty good. No issues I faced. I used it by turning on the two fans in extreme mode where you can actually control by in Dragon Center, which is available in MSI laptops only, but not tried the gaming yet. I will play some games and post a dedicated video on that in a couple of days. Coming to overall, it is a pretty good machine. When it comes to the extra features on this laptop, here are the things. This one having a dedicated button for fan control and keyboard light mode shifting. MSI logo on the top of the display glows, but in only one color, that is in white. And forgotten to tell, it is having a 720p camera also. On the front bottom, this laptop is having 3 tiny LED lights which will blink if you are charging or using the laptop and using the microphone inbuilt it. And even you can customize this laptop keyboard with different colors per key. That is the specialty of this laptop also. I will use this laptop for some more couple of weeks, then I will post a dedicated whole review of this laptop with pros and cons, as well as in meanwhile I will post a dedicated gaming video also. That's all in this video guys. Thanks for watching. My name is Raj, you're watching Tech Bunny, and I will catch you in the next video with new interesting one. Take care.